Today we're going to Underwood Family Farms.
Are you excited?
Yes.
The tickets for two, my daughter and I. Let's go see the animals first. It's so cute.
It likes us.
Okay, they're hungry. Oh, look at Zoe. She's a pomo.
It's drinking water.
Are you coming? Wow. The audience is
It's fast. I like that slide.
You want to do it again?
It's really fun. Yes, again.
Okay, go do it again.
Dad, you go. Oh my God, slammed in the face.
Oh no.
You could catch me. Try to reach
Catch
me.
you, you're too fast. Zoe.
Hey, Dad! Cannibal! Bus! It's driving the train, Daddy! Look, it's going in the slide! Did you know what noise that made when I
Do it again. Say hi to the body.
There's a goal, Daddy!
I know.
Yellow. Oh, one vegetable named tomato. Those salt as flowers, you know. It's a really fun day today. Ready to go on the horsey ride?
Yes.
Daddy, could you get that rope to deal? Goats, goats. Oh, so cute. Bye, goats.
Okay, are we heading home, cutesies?
Yes. Pumpkin.
I think it's actually one of Daddy's adventures. It was amazing. Thank you guys for watching.
It's
I feel
Zoe.
so accomplished.
It's Zoe.
It's not Zoe, it's Daddy.
It's Zoe's adventure. Zoe's adventure.
Okay, my mistake. Zoe's back in it. She's in it to win it.
Hi, everybody. If you want to see more of Zoe's adventures, then like and subscribe, please. Bye.